Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota RAV4 door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal kit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is key, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the windows are fully rolled down. Begin by carefully locating and removing the small plastic cover found behind the interior door handle. This reveals the first screw you'll need to address. Next, with the plastic cover gone, you can easily remove the Phillips head screw located behind the door handle. Then, using your trim removal tool, carefully pry up the power window switch panel. It usually pops out with gentle leverage. Once the panel is loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to it. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips or wiring. Now, check for any additional screws, which are commonly found within the armrest or inside the door pull pocket. Remove these. With all screws out, use your trim removal tool to gently pry around the entire edge of the door panel, releasing the plastic clips holding it in place. Once all clips are free, carefully lift the entire door panel straight upwards to fully detach it from the door frame. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Ensure all electrical connectors and door handle cables are properly reattached before you align the panel. Press firmly around the edges to snap all the clips back into place. Don't forget to replace all screws and the small plastic cover. For more great tips and deals, including a fresh scent for your ride like Little Tree's Black Ice, check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.